Whether you're having a dinner party or just snacking at home, today we're going to make chicken salad. First, we're going to use some stone ground mustard. We're going to empty the entire contents into the bowl. Next, we're going to use mayonnaise, an average size, and we're going to empty the entire contents into the bowl. Got to get them corners and crevices. Next, we're going to use a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. We're going to drain it in the strainer. And now we have our sweet relish. Empty the entire contents into the bowl now. Can't be slack. Gotta use that pepper jack. Beautiful. Okay, one bag's not enough. Let's go ahead and get bag number 2. Alright, we're going to use 4 cans. I said 4 cans of chunk chicken breasts. We're going to put it in our strainer. We're going to drain it and we're going to mash it. We're going to smash it. We're going to mix it and we're going to flip it. Because we're going to make sure everything's broken up and nice and ready to go. No chunks left. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of that garlic powder. Let me get 2 teaspoons of that kosher salt. Let me get 3 teaspoons of the parsley flakes. And now we're going to mix it thoroughly. We're going to mix it till this is a fine consistency. Yeah, that looks like a lot, but this will serve about 30 people. 30 people. So it has 30 servings. And I'm talking about good helpings. Now let's get this on a plate. And there you have it. A serving of chicken salad. Can't go wrong with a dish like this.